Most F-150 seat materials are pretty tough, but almost nothing is immune to 10 years of daily use. The Fia custom fit Leatherlite front seat covers in gray, fitting all 04 to 08 F-150s with the bucket seats, are awesome if you want to freshen up your interior. Your front seats are a little worn, while adding some comfort and protecting your seats from any further damage. These seat covers are constructed out of Fia's Leatherlite, which is a tough simulated leather that can be very easily cleaned. There's also some extra padding in there to make long drives a little bit easier, and then it's all sewn together to fit the F-150 bucket seats perfectly. And as you can see, guys, these look awesome, and the gray inserts really complement our 07 F-150's charcoal interior. For around $250 for the pair, they are a little bit more on the expensive side, but when you consider the form fit and the Leatherlite, I really think you get your money's worth, especially when compared to some of those one-size-fits-all options that you'd get from a local auto store. Also included in that price is Fia's 1-year warranty. Install doesn't get any easier. These also feature Fia's Super Grip system, which not only makes for an easy install, but makes sure these seat covers don't slide around. Now, like I said, install is going to be very easy. I'm going to give it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Should take you around 10 minutes, so let me show you how to get these installed. So for the first step of the install, we're going to get our headrest out of the way. There's a clip on both sides to release that. Now we can get to the passenger backrest. You're going to grab this one with the seatbelt cutout on the right shoulder and unzip it, and it goes right over. And make sure your seatbelt is over top. So at this step, we're left with these hook and loop pads here. We're gonna push those in between the cushions, and then there's a little Velcro tab on the back that those attach to. Next, we're going to move on to the cover for the bottom cushion. As you can see, there's some clips here with a buckle on the end to allow you to get this off if you ever need to again. And then there's some straps, one for either side and one for the bottom, and they are going to feed through. Just like so. And you can push your buckles in between the cushions. And as you can see with our outside strap here, this is going to go into this buckle. I found it looked nicest if you remove this trim panel a little bit here, feed it underneath, and then you could feed it into the buckle. And pull it tight. And lastly, and the easiest step, is our headrest cover. That's just a nice bag with an elastic strap along the bottom to hold it around. With our headrest cover on, it's as simple as just putting this back into the back cushion. And now you're just going to repeat the same process for the other side. All right, guys, and that is going to do it for my review and install of Fia's custom fit Leatherlite front seat covers in gray, fitting all 04 to 08 F-150s with bucket seats. Thank you for watching. I'm Joe, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.